guys, so you can see Jeremy and the guys here working in the back. They're just putting together a dually setup. This is some Field Mavericks, super single up in the front and dually rears. We'll come back to this setup later, probably in a future video, but let's get on to the next one. What is going on, guys? You know I haven't made a video in a long time, but I'm back at the shop making more videos now. Right behind me we just got a Dodge that just got finished up. I'm gonna give you guys a quick run through of this thing. It looks pretty badass. Let's check it out. Alright guys, well we just finished up that video quick for that Dodge with a 6-inch lift. We got this one that's a little bit different. This one's got a leveling kit, rims, tires, and it's also got some Husky kickbacks. So let's check this one out. Alright guys, so this customer is running the UFO, the 388s, 20x10, -24, gloss black and milled with a white face. Wrapped in some 35, 12.5, 20 Haida RTs. And it's got some Husky kickbacks, keep you guys legal. Setup came out really good too. So what's awesome about the Dodge Rams is you can get some pretty aggressive setups in there just with the leveling kit. Oh, look, hard to see, but it's got a 2.5-inch rugged off-road leveling kit in there as well, and then obviously the alignment's been done on the truck. Yeah. Hey guys, I thought we'd wrap the video up here in my room. That's the end of this guy, but we will be bringing you out more videos as soon as we get some fun setups coming in. It is coming into a little bit of the winter rush, so we will probably be doing a lot more winter wheel setups. But if you guys have any questions, please feel free to hit me in the comments or direct message. And if you guys like that video, make sure you guys hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.